We've explored how drones fly, the tech inside, and their impact on our world. Drones are now essential tools for filmmakers, farmers, rescuers, and more. This revolution is happening now, driven by creativity and innovation. Anyone with an idea can use drones to make a difference. Advances in AI and sensors will unlock even more possibilities. With thoughtful regulation, drones will become a seamless part of society. The next time you see a drone, remember it's a symbol of progress and discovery. The sky is calling, and with drones, we all have a chance to answer. Drones are powerful tools for good. After disasters, they deliver supplies and restore communication when roads are gone. Environmentalists use drones to monitor forests, glaciers, and coral reefs, and even plant thousands of trees a day. Archaeologists map ancient ruins with drones, preserving history without disturbing sites. Drones empower individuals and small groups to survey land, document events, and solve problems once reserved for big organizations. This democratization of technology lets more people make a difference. Drones are changing what's possible for everyone, everywhere. They're not just flying machines, they're agents of positive change. The future of drones is smarter, more autonomous, and more connected. Drones will soon navigate complex spaces using LiDAR and AI, performing tasks with little human input. Urban air mobility could bring drone deliveries and even flying taxis to our cities. Bio-inspired microdrones may pollinate crops or explore tight spaces, while solar-powered giants could provide internet from the sky. Swarms of drones will work together, tackling big challenges like firefighting and farming. The Internet of Drones will connect flying sensors and workers worldwide. The sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. Drones are set to reshape our world in ways we're only starting to imagine. With more drones in the sky, safety and responsibility are crucial. Always keep your drone in sight and fly below 400 feet to avoid manned aircraft. Respect no-fly zones, airports, crowds, and sensitive sites are off limits. Pre-flight checks and weather awareness are essential for safe flying. Commercial pilots often need certification and must follow stricter rules. Apps can help you find safe places to fly. Whether for fun or work, responsible flying keeps the skies safe for everyone. By following the rules, we all benefit from this amazing technology. The real magic of drones shines in their stories. In Australia, drones with AI spot sharks near beaches, keeping swimmers safe. After the Notre Dame fire, drones mapped the damage, guiding safe restoration. In Africa, drones patrol parks to stop poaching and protect endangered wildlife. Scientists use drones to sample volcano gases and even collect whale breath for research. These flying robots are pushing the boundaries of exploration and conservation. Drones are changing how we protect, study, and understand our world. Drones are transforming industries and saving lives. In delivery, drones bring medicine and supplies to remote areas in minutes, revolutionizing access. After disasters, drones search for survivors and assess damage, reaching places too dangerous for humans. In filmmaking, drones capture stunning aerial shots, making epic visuals accessible to everyone. Journalists and real estate agents use drones for unique perspectives and better storytelling. In agriculture, drones monitor crops, spot problems, and help farmers use resources efficiently. A single flight can give a farmer a complete health report of their fields. Drones are making our world safer, smarter, and more connected. Drones are more than motors and propellers. They are packed with smart tech. The flight controller is the drone's brain, packed with sensors to keep it stable and responsive. The Inertial Measurement Unit, IMU, uses accelerometers and gyroscopes to sense movement and tilt, helping the drone stay balanced. GPS modules let drones know their exact location, enabling features like return to home and autonomous flight. Radio transmitters and receivers keep the pilot connected, sending commands and receiving live data and video. Telemetry gives you real-time info, battery life, altitude, speed, right in your hands. This seamless tech integration makes drones precise, safe, and fun to fly. It's this combination of sensors, GPS, and communication that makes modern drones so powerful. With these tools, anyone can pilot a drone like a pro. Let's break down how drones defy gravity. Most drones are quadcopters with 4 spinning propellers that push air down, creating lift. When lift exceeds the drone's weight, it rises. The flight controller, its onboard computer, adjusts each motor's speed to move forward, backward, or side to side. Turning, or yaw, is achieved by spinning 2 propellers clockwise and 2 counterclockwise, balancing torque and allowing smooth pivot. Thousands of tiny adjustments per second keep drones stable even in wind. When you see a drone hover, it's a marvel of engineering and physics in action. Drones don't just fly, they orchestrate a symphony of science and technology. It's not magic, it's brilliant engineering. That's how drones conquer the skies and give us a new way to explore. Have you ever looked up and seen a buzzing object zipping through the sky? That's likely a drone, one of today's most exciting technologies. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are flying robots controlled remotely or programmed to fly autonomously. They let us explore places we could never reach, from above the tallest trees to deep canyons. For tech lovers, drones are a playground of innovation. For creators, they are a new way to capture breathtaking images. Beyond fun, drones are solving real-world problems, delivering medical supplies, helping farmers, and aiding scientific discovery. Their versatility is unmatched. From insect-sized gadgets to machines as large as small planes, drones are transforming industries. We're just scratching the surface of what drones can do, much like the early days of the internet. So buckle up, let's dive into the high-flying world of drones. Let's clear up some common myths about drones. Some people think drones are only for professionals, but that's not true. With the right guidance, anyone can learn to fly a drone safely and responsibly. Another myth is that drones are dangerous. In reality, most drones have built-in safety features, and following the rules makes flying safe for everyone. Some people think drones are just toys, but they are powerful tools used in science, filmmaking, agriculture, and even disaster relief. Here are some fun facts. The longest drone flight lasted over 80 hours. Drones have delivered pizza, performed in light shows, and even helped save endangered animals. The future of drones is exciting. Imagine AI-powered drones delivering packages, monitoring the environment, and even helping in urban air mobility with flying taxis. If you're interested in drones, start by joining a local drone club or online community. Always read the safety guidelines and practice in open spaces. There are plenty of resources to help you get started. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of drones. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights from Electro Insights. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.